Hello everyone, today I want to show you my last project. So this is a battery charger for different module. So it is fully customized with different battery, and you can adjust your current and your voltage of charge according to the battery specification. And also it is connected with an application mobile for monitoring and control of our system. So first of all, I want to show you the hardware side of this project. So it consists of a ESP32 microcontroller to control our system of charge, and also to connect with an application mobile. We have also this panel here connected with this system to adjust your current using this button, and you see your measurement here and the current of the battery during the charging. So I will show you a case of battery charging. We have this battery here, and also I will first of all run my application and connect my Wi-Fi like this, and wait until be connected. Now I can adjust my current and my voltage of charge according to this specification. So we have 4 in the 4.4 voltage, and also I have 500 milliamps in the current of charge. So first of all, I will plug in my battery like this, and now it is connected, and I will toggle the switch to start the charging. So now it is in the progress mode. The current is raising up, so you can see here it is now in charging. So now we see that we have 500 milliamp in the charging and the level of 70%. So we can also see here the chart of the charging, and also the voltage between the battery. So we can zoom in and zoom out, and also we can pick to see different measurements here. So this is our project. So this is my first video. I hope that you like it, and see you later.